Alright, ladies and gentlemen, happy Monday. Sorry I'm not with you today. I'd rather be with you. But I'm learning about things that hopefully will make me be a better teacher. So I hope you had a nice weekend. I have a Nearpod that you can click through all the steps for what I want you to do today. And obviously this video and all the links for everything should be in the agenda, and this sub will hopefully be giving you some reminders. So I didn't link it right now, but the word Nearpod should be linked on your agenda. You can click on it and it'll go through all the things that I want you to do today. So you'll just click the right arrow, go to the next thing. The pre-test, since I'm not there to do quizzes, your pre-test is in Canvas. But just like always, it doesn't actually matter. It's just to help you learn the words. And then I have an overview video I want you to watch where I go through all the words. Then, if you have not yet posted on our Flipgrid, you need to post your video. You are sharing, see if I can't really get it on my screen. Alright, well, you are giving us the premise of your story, telling us about the figurative language from your story, the tone or the mood, and a theme. And this is all about your third story, your independent story. So you'll hit the plus sign, you'll record your video, just telling us about it. Your cell phones work the best, so hopefully you or someone near you have downloaded the app and you can use your phone. Otherwise, if you use your computer, try to use a microphone. Once you are done, you can record comments to other people. So you can like it, and here you can reply and give comments. Alright, so give a comment to somebody else. Then, since you're all done with your third story, you can go ahead and submit it. If you have it on the computer, you will submit it here, your Google Doc or Word doc or whatever. If it's on paper, you can give it to the sub or put it in your blocks bin over there by the door by my light switch. And for the rest of class, you're working on story number 4. So for your fourth story, you are going to do one of two things. Either you can read a second story by your author. So hold on, I have to find your authors. So whoever you signed up for and you read the third story by them, the fourth story, if you just want to read one, you'll find another story by your author. Okay, so if I did Sherman Alexie, if I read Every Little Hurricane for story number 3, then for story number 4, I could read Superman and Me, Traveling, or What You Pawn I Will Redeem. Okay, so find another story by your author, read the second one, and you are filling out the template, same as always. Alright, so plot diagram, vocab words, answer the last open-ended prompt, and a fourth creative response. Alright, so here we are, story 4, fill out the plot, define 3 words, answer this prompt, how do the author's choices and characterization communicate a theme? So you have to tell me about how the author is characterizing at least one of the characters and how that shows us a theme. Prove it with a quote and Emily format. Explain how the quote proves your claim about the theme. And then your creative response option that you haven't done yet. So you could do the quiz, the podcast, the trading cards, the alternate ending, whatever. Okay, so you have the rest of the class to work on that. That is due on Wednesday. So everything is due Wednesday. Or if you do not want to read another short story, you're done reading them, you can write your own. So it should have plot. It needs to have characters that you characterize. It needs to have a conflict. It needs to be written through a point of view. You should use some figurative language. You should have a consistent tone and mood, and you should demonstrate at least one theme. So I have directions that you don't have to submit to me, but it might help you go through this to figure out your story. And then write your story. If you want to do it sort of virtually, you can do it in Book Creator, because then this will let you add images or themes. You can change the font. You can add pages. You can add pictures and whatever else. So that's kind of fun. Okay, so for your fourth story, you can write it or you can read another one by your author. I have access to email. You can email me and let me know if you need help or whatever. Otherwise, this is what you should be working on today. I will see you all tomorrow.